Hello, I'm Smithy, this is a Kentucky, and that is a karcher window washer. So that's what we're going to talk about today. I wanted to show you this. Me and Sue have had this for, well, we had this for ages, and I think I've had it for the whole amount of time I've had the van. And I've seen one or two others talk about them, and I've never actually got round to it. What I've done, I've left some water in it, right, and I wanted to just prove a point. To get the water out, you just undo that. That out comes the water, but I'll show you that in a bit anyway. I wanted to just leave water in it because it doesn't come out, right? So no matter what angle you use this at, it will suck the water in, it won't come out. And it's easy to, you know, you have another attachment for it with, you know, it's like a washer, so you can wash the window and then you can wipe it off. So I've done my car this morning, the light's going off. We have some more lights. I should have charged it really. Yeah, so we've had this for quite a while. I've just never got around to showing it you, and I thought today I'll show it you. But to show it you, I have to get some steam in the van. So what I'm going to put the heater on. I'm going to put a couple of gas rings on, and I'll just show you the window now, right? As opposed to what it's going to look like in a bit. So that's the window now, right? So it's just a nice clear window screen. So I'm not going to bore you by letting you watch me, you know, heat the van up. So I'm going to heat the van up. When we get some steam on the window or condensation, it's the same condensation as you would get if you slept in your van overnight. You know, my van has curtains that go around it, and then in the morning you pull the curtains back, you wait till the sun comes up. Well, I actually take all the water off rather than just leave it there in the van, and then I air the van out anyway. So it's cold today. I'm going to steam the windows up, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to clean them. Well, how to get the steam off using this. All the condensation is going to disappear, and for van life, or you know, having a motorhome, this is indispensable for doing that job. So anyway, let me steam the van up and I'll come back. Now then, we've got the fire on. I've got a couple of gas rings on, right, and we are fogging up nicely. I don't know if you can see that, but the camera will fog up as well in a bit. So, for our experiment, to show you the karcher window washer, and don't forget I haven't been sent this, we bought this. We actually bought a pallet of them, and from an auction, so I got it, you know, very cheap, and I sold the rest. And I just wanted to show you it. You know, there's not a lot we can do at the minute, so that's what I thought I'd do. And don't forget, I have got water in it, and it's up to the 2nd level. And the reason I've done that is to show you that when you start to collect water in this, it still doesn't matter which way you use it, the water doesn't come out. So that's a good thing about this. Can you see it? I will make a salesman yet. So go out and buy one. There's a link in my description to Amazon, and if you buy one I get the commission, so I probably earn about 30 pence off every one you buy, and we can get some more gadgets. I've always said honesty is the best policy, and there you go. So all we're doing now, listen, it's like a jet engine. So what we need is a tripod, because I've got an idea. I've got a right good idea, right, to show you it working in action. So I'm going to put the camera outside, but I'm going to be inside cleaning the window, and you're going to see it cleaning the window. So that's what we're going to do. Manfrotto tripod. Right, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do it from the inside, but you're going to be outside looking in. So then you'll see it clear the window. And you can actually, it's surprising, right? Although that is just, you know, it's a straight. It's surprising how somebody's looking right in the van. Are you? I'd let them in me and let them see what I'm doing, I'm not bothered. So you're going to see me get into every nook and cranny. Although that's just a long, you know, a long oblong shape, you can actually get into everything with it. So anyway, I'll show you. I'll bring you back, but I'll bring you back, you'll be outside, and I'll be getting all this condensation off the window. But don't forget, it's the same condensation. On your van, you should have, you be able to crack your windows open a little bit. So in the overnight in the summer, your condensation from your breath would go out. You know, that's the, or you know, flick a skylight open a little bit, and that's how you deal with it that way. But in winter you can't do that, so you're going to get condensation. So rather than your whole van dripping everywhere, you can use that. How come it's always busy around here when I'm making a video now? Anyway, I'll bring you back in a minute and you'll be outside. And all these people will have to walk around the camera, won't they? Now then, I'm hoping that you can see how steamed up that actually is. So I'll clean this first window, then I'll do the side window, I'll move the mirror out. I know you can still hear me because I'm on the Rode wireless microphone. We'll clean this window and then the main one, and the main one is worse than this one anyway. I'll just show you. Right, let's move the mirror and you can see the little window. Oh. I did it that way so you could see getting into every nook and cranny. Right, let's do the front one. Well, what do you think of the Karcher window washer? Easy enough to use, easy enough to empty. I had to put a little bit of music to it when I was doing it because I ran out of sound. I've been doing too many cooking videos, that's what it is. Yeah, don't forget that Oklahoma burger, I could have added all sorts to it. I'm going to make a Smithy burger, right? We're going to make a burger. Smithy's going to make a burger with his little press I've got to make burgers. But I wanted an authentic Oklahoma burger is what I wanted. I just forgot to get cheese and I couldn't go out and get, you're only allowed that once a day, so I couldn't get cheese. But anyway, that's what we're going to do in the future, a Smithy burger. So yeah, that's the Karcher window washer. And if you want one, there's a link in the description. You don't have to buy it, just go and have a look how much they are. And they'll be surprising, for 50-60 quid, it just does the job. And you know, you're not getting damp everywhere in the van. And the uses you can have all around your home and everything. You know, washing your showers, your windows. The list is endless. I clean my glass cooker lid with it and all sorts. So, Karcher window washer. I told you I was going to entertain you while we were not allowed out, didn't I? And that's what I've done. So I'm going to come up with more ideas while we can't do out. And until we can go out. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's little video. We're going to do some cooking tonight because I've still got some mince. What can I cook with a mince, eh? Let's find out. So, you've been watching Smithy and his Kentucky. Stay safe, and you can only be lucky if you think lucky. Don't think negative in life, there's always a positive somewhere. Trust me, there's always a positive somewhere. You'll never be lucky if you don't think lucky. So think lucky, be lucky, and Smithy and his little van, I'll see you soon. Hey, take care.